Greetings of the day, everybody. These recordings in this particular playlist would all be related to the concept of circular motion, and the questions that you will be noticing in this particular playlist have all been taken from the Cambridge publications. The author is K.A. Sokos, the course book, 7th edition. The first question with regards to the concept of circular motion, here it is calculating the angular speed of Earth as it rotates around the Sun. So the formula to determine the angular speed, we all know it would be omega is equal to 2 pi upon capital T, where T here is the time period. Time period, the SI unit of time period is second. So it would be 2 pi divided by capital T is the time period, that is 365 days. Each day would have 24 hours. Each hour would have 60 minutes and each minute would have 60 seconds. Now, those of you who are wondering why do we have 2 pi here? It talks about rotating around the sun. So if Earth completes one full rotation, say Earth starts its rotation from this point, goes say in the anti-clockwise direction. When it completes one full rotation, the angle that it would have covered, it would have been 360 degrees, which would account for 2 pi radians, and hence we have 2 pi written over there. Now coming back to the solution, omega is equal to 2 pi upon that particular value here. Let's make use of the calculator. 2 into 3.14 divided by 365 divided by 24 divided by 60, and this being further divided by another 60, that would give us 1.99 into 10 to the power negative 7. The unit for the angular velocity or angular speed would be radians per second. So this is the answer to the A bit. Now moving on to the B bit, the angle swept by Earth in 30 days. We make use of the formula for angular speed. We would have omega is equal to theta upon lowercase t, right? So this can therefore be written as a theta is equal to omega into t. Now omega we have clearly obtained here, 1.99 into 10 to the power negative 7. This will be the value of omega, and the time he had provided us in the question is 30 days. So this is a 30. Each day would have 24 hours. Each hour would have 60 minutes and each minute would have 60 seconds. Calculate that again. So we are already having the value of omega fed in here. This will be into 30, that is 30 days, into 24 hours, into 60 minutes per hour, into 60 seconds per each hour. We would have the angle as 0 point, as mentioned here, 0.516 or 0.52 radians covered in 30 days. This would be the angle swept by Earth in 30 days. Now, what about the linear speed of the Earth? To calculate the linear speed of the Earth, we have the formula V is equal to R times omega. The radius has already been provided to us. It is 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 into the angular speed. It is 1.99 into 10 to the power negative 7. We would therefore have the linear speed as 10 to the power 4. Let's multiply 1.5 and 1.99. 1.5 into 1.99 would end up with 2.985. So 2.985 into 10 to the power 4 meters per second. To express it to the second place of decimal, we would round this off. 2.98 into 10 to the power 4 meters per second. This would be the linear speed. I hope you understood this. Thank you.